special treat for you tonight. Please welcome the Performance Dogs of Ohio. Performance Dogs of Ohio is a group of canine enthusiasts that was formed due to a passion of performing live with their best friends. All of the dogs tonight are not performers, but pets first. Performance Dogs of Ohio's mission is to showcase the bond with their dogs through dog sports. A key thing to know is the louder you yell, the higher they fly. They start every show with one tagline, it's go time. Tonight, they'll showcase their amazing canine athletes. Put your hands together for Layla, Gage, and Biscuit. All right. First up, we've got Layla. This incredible 5-year-old Border Collie Australian Shepherd is truly lighting up the performance show field this year. Layla is a multi-time world qualifier and is proudly set to represent the state of Ohio at the upcoming World Championship. And here's something special. Layla just represented the USA in distance jumping into water and is your international champion. Flight. Come on, Savage, get loud! Louder than that. Let's hear it for Wes and international champion, Layla. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for this nationally ranked Australian Shepherd named Gage. Gage is owned and trained by Heidi Pitts. Gage is one heck of a Frisbee dog, but also loves other dog sports. Gage has jumped in water over a distance of 25 feet. Let's hear it for Gage.
This is not another story. This is not another drill. I refuse to be another number now. Never staying down. This is something real. I'm a name that you'll remember. I am more than just a thrill. I am gonna be the greatest ever now. Watch out, I'm a force that you will feel. And it goes something like, ooh, I'm victorious. It's my time. There's no stopping this, 'cause I was born for this. I do it for the glory. I do it for the glory. I'll be more than just a fable. I'll be written in the stars. I will never be too afraid to bleed, giving all of me even when it's hard. Oh, I started as an ember who was made for kerosene, and now I'm raging like a fire, burning up through everything I see. And it goes something like, ooh, I'm victorious. It's my time. There's no stopping this, 'cause I was born for this. I do it for the glory. I do it for the glory. I do it for the glory.
Let's hear it for Gage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our final dynamic duo, Bob and Biscuit. Biscuit, a 3-year-old Corgi Border Collie mix, is already making waves with his incredible high-flying antics. Hailing from a 600-acre cattle farm in Arizona, Biscuit may have only 4-inch legs, but don't let that fool you. This little guy can fly who says small dogs can't do big dog things? Get ready for a show full of heart, agility, and some serious airtime. Come on, Savage Arena, make some noise for Bob and Biscuit. Let's hear it for Biscuit. Give it up one more time for these amazing canine athletes and their trainers. Those are some high-flying canines. On behalf of the Performance Dogs of Ohio, thanks for having them out. Be sure to check them out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or at performancedogsofOhio.com. They ask you to please tag them on every post so they can see themselves after the game and say thank you and go Rockets. Rockets.